Hello! Part 3 of the Leftover Switch series. This happens to be quite an interesting one, I think, that you might actually enjoy if you like a poppy sounding switch. This is the Milky Ayara. I'm just gonna say Ayara, which, as the name implies, uses an SP star Ayara bottom, paired with the 63.5 spring, a cream stem, ooh, shocker, and a Milky OP black top housing. I didn't really have any expectations with this switch when I was making them, since I was just grabbing random parts. I'm actually pretty shocked at how they sound. When I was grabbing parts, the only things kind of left were some scuffed OP black top housings and cream stems. It's actually a nice soft bottom out. It's a tad bit scratchy, but I can't really throw these in a break-in machine since the IRS come slightly lubed. But overall, a pretty decent switch in the Leftover series. I'd probably give these like a 7. If I had the opportunity to throw these in my break-in machine, I'd probably say these are actually endgame switches. I'll play a sound test shortly, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks, and have a good one. Bye.